This resale HDB executive apartment has been transformed into a refined sanctuary. When the lights are switched on, the textures and tones shift, revealing a completely different dimension of the space. To enhance spatial flow, we removed the original storeroom. The result is a seamless, open layout that invites movement throughout. The living area offers a dedicated space for enjoying films in comfort, while still maintaining visual coherence with the rest of the home. The use of bold, dark wallpaper creates a dramatic yet elegant atmosphere. Another highlight we incorporated is the custom-built shoe cabinet, which includes a rotatable shoe rack. It allows for elegant display and effortless selection from the owner's extensive collection. To open up the heart of the home, we removed one of the original bedrooms to create a more expansive kitchen. We thoughtfully retained a compact area to serve as a functional storeroom. The kitchen is now an open concept statement, anchored by a generous island that not only serves as a practical workspace, but also as a social hub for hosting and connection. We extended the balcony to create an additional zone for entertainment, perfect for casual gatherings, games, or simply unwinding. In the master bedroom, we carry through the bold wallpaper for continuity and character. The space has been subtly divided with a dedicated bed area and a separate zone for the dresser. The master bathroom showcases a striking feature wall crafted from large format tiles, creating a seamless sculptural look. We designed a concealed door adorned with the owner's fragrance collection that leads into a private adjoining room, a personal retreat used for wardrobe, bag display, and quiet reflection. For added privacy, we include a discreet lock function on the door handle of the bedrooms. In the other common room, we balance functionality and form, integrating display space, a study area, and ample wardrobe storage. Every corner of this home was carefully considered, not just for aesthetics, but to reflect the lifestyle, habits, and aspiration of its owner. It is a home that doesn't just look beautiful. It tells a story, a modern Eden, one of elegance, comfort, and individuality.